Custodian and Maintenance Professional of the Year Award acknowledges the outstanding contribution of those who are making a difference to their local school district, community, and the custodial and maintenance profession.
Tanner Nowacki, daytime custodian for the School District of Athens, is being recognized for his tireless dedication to his district and his passion for the custodial profession. Nowacki has been involved in the custodial profession since he was a high school student. As a summer student custodian, Nowacki wanted to learn how to wax the floors and paint the football field. He would even serve as a substitute custodian during the school year and was hired as a full-time custodian after he graduated. Throughout his time as a custodian, Nowacki tries every day to make the school as clean and secure as possible for students and staff, even covering night shifts at the buildings after a full day's work. Congratulations, Tanner.
The level of commitment that he shows towards his job and his craft is better than most I've seen in the industry. So for him to do this on a daily basis, especially at his age, is just something you don't see. I think his biggest accomplishment with the district is just filling the role and taking it up a notch. He took over from a previous building custodian that was there 10 plus years. And he jumped right in. He gained the respect of staff, students, administration right off the bat. He's just driven. So I mean, when he gets a project, he sees it all the way through. So it's one of those things that I think gaining the respect of the whole staff and student body, that's a big accomplishment in any role. And I think he took that and ran with it. I'm proud to be Tanner's supervisor. He makes my job a little bit easier. And he makes the district shine with anything that he touches. So.
Receiving this award, this is a stepping stone for me to get to the position I want to be at, to facilities manager myself. I started working for the school district when I was 16, doing some custodial and maintenance, and really enjoyed doing it. And the more and more I spent time working with Jamie and doing different projects, it kind of grew on me, and now I have my own facility here in Athens, an elementary school, and working up just more towards that facilities director position. I want to thank Jamie Hanschke, School District of Athens, Head of Maintenance, for putting the time in so I could receive this award. And I'd also like to thank the School District of Athens for my opportunity to work here every day. I enjoy it. I love it. I love being around the kids. I'd also like to thank WASBO for the training.
Any advice you have for your peers?
Put your best foot forward every day and do your job. Put a smile on your face, even when things aren't always going as planned. You know, I just had a lunch table jump on the wall at me and bust into two pieces about 15 minutes ago. So, you know, we always got to put our best foot forward and do the right thing.